makers, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what's in our card making kit for May. It's called Into the Wild. It is a cute kit. Let me open it up and show you all the goodies inside. So the first thing you're getting is some of our Into the Wild creative cuts. So these are great for making quick cards. This is one of our mini cut apart sheets, and you can use this with die number 4 to create some cute little sayings on there, which I've used on some of my cards. This is the collection pack, the 6x6 collection pack. Some of our beautiful pearls, some white ribbon, and a packet of our 6 cards and envelopes. Now let me show you, this is what you get in your kit. You open it up and you've got actual size images of all of these gorgeous cards. So if you measure on here, that is the exact size I measure on there. So you'll know exactly how to make them, and they look amazing. Let me show you these cards up close and personal. These are really cute. You can use them for anything. Just grateful for you. Welcome baby, a cute little baby card. My dearest friend, because there's a deer, like how cute. This is another welcome baby one. This is a little trick one I'll show you in a second. And this one is just a cute little delight on your special day. You could put whatever animal you want there. I chose the frog. You could put the fox. You could put nothing and just make it like a wedding card. This one here is a special little easel fold card. So it folds up like that. All you need to do to make this card is take your card and envelope pack, open up your card, and then just fold from the top to the bottom like that. And then I've decorated this side. There's also a little bit of decoration on that side. And it sits up and it's so cute. Folds down flat, looks amazing to go in the mail, but you can just sit it up. And on the back of the instruction sheet, I have just got a little picture of there showing that that's the way you fold it. So that is our card making kit. Thank you for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye.